In the last video, we installed the pfSense firewall. In this particular video, we will be configuring clients to use this particular firewall. Now this is a basic packet filter firewall that is installed. Now this firewall, being a packet filter firewall, will filter the traffic based on source IP address, source port, destination IP address, destination port, and protocol. Now here you may get a notice when you log in about their uh, terms and conditions or trademark, etc. Just accept it, and then you get a thank you board. Click OK on that. Now here we are going to use two Windows machines as clients. So let's configure these two Windows machines as clients. Now in case of our firewall, the 192.168.56.10 is our LAN side IP address. Now in case of VirtualBox, you have to press the right side control button to release the mouse if you have clicked into that. Now if you get these kind of messages, please just click on don't show again. Now let's configure the Windows machines as clients. So now the LAN side IP address, that is 192.168.56.10, will be the default gateway for these Windows machines. Now we will assign one of the Windows machines the IP address as 192.168.56.20, and the other machine will be 192.168.56.30. Okay, this is to make sure that we remember the IP addresses easily. Now again, just click. Now here, to log into this Windows virtual machine, you have to press the right side Control and Delete button. Don't press Control Alt Delete. It will be taken by the main Windows machine, and Windows machine task manager menu will start. So press right side Control and Delete button. Now log in. Let's log into the second machine also. Now once we log in, as these are the server operating system machines, the server manager will start. Once the server manager starts, we will need to assign the IP address. So go to local server. I have already given the computer name. Now here the first machine name is server 1, and we will assign the IP address. This is where you have the time zone settings. Click on IPv4, double click, go to properties, IPv4, and here specify the IP address 56.20. This will be 56.20. We are using default subnet mask. Then in the default gateway, you will put the LAN side IP address of your pfSense firewall. In the preferred DNS server, you can use your DNS server provided by the ISP, or you can use the open DNS server 8.8.8.8. I am using that here. So click OK, close. So now it is ready. Now here one more thing is, as this is a server operating system, the browser is locked. So this Edge or Internet Explorer, here you have IE enhanced security configuration. By default it is on. Now click here and make sure you change it to off from the on. Otherwise it will keep on asking every time, do you trust this website, and you will have to keep on adding it. So just click to off. It is not recommended to do this on the production server. Here in the lab sessions it is okay to do that. So now let's open the browser and try to access the websites. Let's see, we can access the websites. One more thing we have to check is network card of our pfSense firewall. Here If you go to the settings, the pfSense firewall network card, the first network card is in the NAT, which connects it to the internet, and the second one is in the host only. So all the clients, they also need to be in the host only mode. So let's first check that. So go to the settings of your client. Now the client can be Windows or any Linux machine. And in the network, see, now this is in the NAT mode, so it should be shifted to the host only mode. So host only adapter, click OK. Now again in Windows 2 also, the second Windows machine, select the network card and change it to host only. Click OK. Now both the machines are in the host only. So now let's go to server 1 and let's try to open a website. Let's try microsoft.com. Similarly, let's open another tab and try to open www.redhat.com. Let's try some different site, www.flipkart.com. So all the three websites are opening on this particular client. Now let's go to the second client and configure the second client. So first we will assign the IP address. We are going to assign 192.168.56.30 address to this particular computer. .30 default subnet mask, default gateway will be same 192.168.56.10, which is the LAN IP address of pfSense firewall, preferred DNS. Close it. Again, make sure IE enhanced security is off now. Open the browser and let's try to access the websites. You can stop this one. www. Let's try Red Hat. On the second tab, let's try www.amazon.com. Here, let's try www.wikipedia.org. Okay, so all the three websites are opening. This is how we have configured the Windows clients to work with pfSense firewall. These clients will be sending all the traffic through the pfSense firewall. So in the next video, we will look at the interface of pfSense firewall, and at the same time we will see how to configure rules based on source IP and destination IP. So thank you very much.